Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the game is updated and the server status is stable. This prevents upload errors. Next, open Pokémon Unite, tap your profile, then snapshot to enter edit mode. You should have the image you want ready on your device or in cloud storage so you can import it directly. Once done, make sure the file meets size and format requirements to avoid rejections and save time before moving to cropping and adjustments. You now perform the detailed edits. Crop to the recommended aspect ratio and center the subject so it reads at small sizes. Then adjust brightness and contrast to keep facial features and icons clear. Use a light filter only if it enhances readability. Once adjusted, preview the snapshot at the in-game display size to confirm clarity and composition. If elements get lost, undo and tweak again, because what looks fine full size can vanish. You finish by saving the edited image and confirming it as your profile snapshot. This commits the change to your account. If the snapshot doesn't appear immediately, force close and relaunch the game to clear client-side cache and then check again. If problems persist, make sure you have enough storage, use a supported file type and size, and retry the upload. One troubleshooting tip: switch networks, mobile data versus Wi-Fi, to rule out intermittent upload blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.